I think one of the things that makes us most proud as a company is that we are one of the largest independent welding and gas distributors in the upper Midwest. We cover all of Minnesota, Wisconsin, the eastern Dakotas, and northern Iowa. We also have over 30 dealers in the Minnesota area that can help our customers out from a day-to-day basis.
Well, at Oxygen Service, we have 25 outside sales representatives with a combined 677 years of experience, averaging 27 years in our industry. What this means to you is when you deal with an Oxygen Service sales rep, you're getting an industry expert that's bringing you the latest and greatest in product and process training.
One of the things we're very proud of at Oxygen Service is our comprehensive inventory. It's one of the things that make us unique. We have over 8,000 active and unique SKUs covering 40 product categories. Categories such as welding and cutting equipment, safety and PPE, filler metals, abrasives, chemicals, and all other welding accessories. Oxygen Service Company offers repair services for a full line of welding equipment that we sell. We have repair locations at 2 locations in St. Paul and Sauk Rapids. Oxygen Service has the largest team of factory-trained technicians in our region.
We value our customers as partners. We want to develop that relationship. We bring that expertise, knowledge, and professionalism. We're looking to find out, what do you desire? Where do you expect to go? Where do you want to be? And we believe that we can help you get there through our services, technical ability, and experience in this market and industry.
OSC has a large delivery fleet that goes out every day. We have 15 regular delivery trucks and 9 bulk delivery trucks in our fleet.
So Oxygen Service has pipeline services that can handle any size job. Anything from a 12-pack to a tube trailer to our nitrogen pumping unit. We really have the equipment to handle any size job that our customers bring to us.
There's not many things we don't offer in our rental fleet at Oxygen Service. We have MIG and TIG welders, stick welders, fume extraction equipment, plasma cutters, engine drive generator welders, magnetic drills, and even dry ice blasting equipment. OSC will be happy to help you with all your rental needs today.
Oxygen Service added dry ice to our business in 2018. It's grown significantly. We have over 4,000 pounds of ice production that we can produce per hour. We can produce blocks, pellets, and rice. We service a large number of industries, anywhere from the airlines to pharmaceutical and medical. So we have everything for your dry ice needs. At Oxygen Service, we have a fully functional spec gas and quality assurance lab. We have the ability to test and analyze pure and mixed gases. We have an on-site chemist to run the lab who has over 30 years of experience in the industry. We can fill pure gases or mixed gases. One of the key things that we found with our lab is that we have a quick turnaround with tight blend tolerances and high levels of accuracy, which is what we feel are some of the most important pieces when it comes to spec gas in the industrial gas business.
Our customers typically do not buy on price alone. They are growing and driven to be great. They value relationship and great service from smart experts. The Oxygen Service sales team is here and available and excited to work with you across the Midwest.